the C5MI DRCM solution presented by YASH Technologies. In the manufacturing industry, everyone knows that when production is down, you've lost time you can never recoup. Customers across the globe know these challenges all too well. A lack of single version of the truth due to disparate asset systems, reactive maintenance that increases the operational cost, and unplanned downtimes that reduce yield and throughput. Hindered by reactive maintenance, you lose the ability to drive transformation across your asset maintenance lifecycle and the opportunity to increase your bottom line. The way to effectively plan your resources is through a transformative approach by successfully managing your equipment, your skilled plant maintenance personnel, and your equipment spare parts. Now, imagine reducing time, increasing asset reliability, increasing operational efficiency, increasing customer satisfaction, and boosting financial performance. YASH Technologies' DRCM Digital Reliability Centered Maintenance Solution will transform your maintenance operations and create a forward-looking manufacturing environment. The C5MI DRCM solution leverages the SAP Intelligent Asset Management Software Suite to extend your SAP Plant Maintenance Core with a robust data model that integrates with SAP ECC or S/4HANA and provides real-time IoT data ingestion. Our DRCM solution with best practices, templates, and accelerators across discover, define, design, and deliver phases of D4 methodology will create lean and optimized maintenance strategy and operations, exponentially driving your business forward through a decrease in safety and environmental incidents, a drastic reduction of maintenance costs, energy, and unplanned outages, and improved reliability of assets with real-time analytics, all of which delivers a greater return on assets and an increase in ROI. So stop imagining your forward-looking manufacturing environment. Now you can have it with YASH's DRCM. Challenge the present, change the future. As an SAP Gold partner focused on customer success, YASH has helped 2,300 plus customers over a period of 2 decades within the SAP ecosystem. YASH, more than what you think.